Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel and welcome to my channel and to another video. As we continue French cuisine, today's recipe I take from my culinary school textbook, International Cuisines. This simply elegant dessert has very few ingredients, quick and easy to make, and anyone can do it. It's a short video. I truly hope you enjoy it. I'll let you get to it and I will talk to you later. Were you expecting some holiday dishes on my channel? Well, I'm doing things a little bit differently this year. What I'll do though is I'll leave a link to all my playlists from last year for the holidays. That's the Thanksgiving playlist and my Christmas playlist. There you'll find me making Cornish game hens, stuffed turkey breast with some cornbread stuffing. You'll see my honey braised collard greens, my brown sugar braised green beans. You'll see my banana cream pie and a host of other dishes. And I also have a lovely cranberry sauce made from scratch. This recipe calls for 4 ramekins holding 4 ounces each, but my ramekins are larger than that. They hold more than 4 ounces. Bon appetit! I truly hope you enjoy this taste of France. As we journey from France to a new country, I'm thinking next stop, Austria. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this recipe, be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Be sure to check out the Techniques Tuesday that's coming up. It's for the season. Be sure to come back next week when I'll be making linzer torte. As you go through your day, please be the blessing to someone. And as always, as I leave you, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. See you next time.